7 healthy foods women should eat during menopause, and 5 foods to avoid. Menopause is a natural transition, but for many women, it arrives like an unexpected storm. Suddenly, the body begins sending messages you've never felt before: intense heat rushing through your chest and face, unexplained weight gain, restless nights, irritability, mood swings, and a constant feeling that something inside you is changing. And the truth is, something is changing. Your estrogen levels are shifting, your metabolism slows down, and your body begins to respond differently to food, stress, and even sleep. But here's the part no one tells you: you are not powerless. Scientific research now shows that the foods you eat every single day can dramatically improve your menopause experience. Some foods calm the nervous system, support the heart, balance hormones, and reduce hot flashes. Others inflame the body, worsen hormonal imbalance, increase belly fat, and make symptoms more severe. So in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the 7 foods that every woman should include in her menopause diet, and the 5 foods that can make symptoms worse. This video is not just a list, it's a complete guide to understanding your body, so you can navigate menopause with strength, confidence, and clarity. Part 1. 7 healthy foods women should eat during menopause. 1. Fatty fish, the hormone-friendly superfood. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, one of the most powerful nutrients for women going through menopause. These healthy fats strengthen the heart, calm inflammation, uplift mood, and improve brain function. During menopause, estrogen levels drop, and this increases the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids act like a natural protector by reducing LDL cholesterol, improving blood flow, and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. But that's not all. Research shows omega-3s may help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes because they support the hypothalamus, the part of your brain that regulates body temperature. They also help with mood swings by balancing neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Women who regularly eat fatty fish often report clearer thinking, better memory, less irritability, and more stable emotional health. Adding just 2 or 3 servings of fatty fish a week can make a noticeable difference in how your body handles menopause. 2. Soy foods, nature's gentle hormone balancers. Soy is one of the most scientifically supported foods for menopausal women because it contains natural compounds called isoflavones. Isoflavones are phytoestrogens, which means they mimic estrogen, but in a very gentle, plant-based way. When your natural estrogen levels fall, phytoestrogens can help fill the gap, reducing hot flashes, night sweats, and hormonal fluctuations. Many clinical studies show that women who consume soy regularly experience fewer menopause symptoms than those who don't. The key benefit is that soy binds to estrogen receptors in your body and delivers a soft, balanced signal, which stabilizes hormonal activity without causing extreme changes. It's like giving your body a small, natural backup supply of estrogen. Foods such as tofu, tempeh, edamame, soy milk, and miso provide these benefits naturally. These foods also contain high-quality protein, calcium, and antioxidants, all essential during menopause. What makes soy unique is that it addresses both immediate symptoms like hot flashes and long-term concerns like bone health and cholesterol levels. 3. Leafy greens and colorful vegetables, your natural internal cooling system. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens, along with colorful vegetables like carrots, capsicum, broccoli, tomatoes, pumpkin, and beetroot, are absolutely essential during menopause. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress, which becomes more damaging when estrogen levels decline. During menopause, many women find themselves feeling more fatigued, more inflamed, and more sensitive to heat. The nutrients found in vegetables, including vitamins A, C, K, potassium, iron, magnesium, and folate, help cool the body from within, reduce inflammation, and support cellular repair. Studies show that women who consume higher amounts of vegetables have noticeably fewer vasomotor symptoms, including hot flashes and night sweats. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower are especially important because they help regulate estrogen metabolism, ensuring that your body processes hormones in a healthier, safer way. Eating a rainbow of vegetables each day ensures you provide your body with the diversity of vitamins and minerals it needs to stay balanced, energized, and stable during menopause. 4. Calcium-rich foods, strengthening bones in a time of rapid change. After menopause, declining estrogen accelerates bone loss, making women more vulnerable to osteoporosis and fractures. This makes calcium one of the most important nutrients to focus on during this stage of life. Foods such as milk, yogurt, cheese, almonds, leafy greens, sesame seeds, and fortified plant milks help rebuild and maintain strong bones. Calcium not only strengthens bones, but it also supports nerve function, muscle contraction, and heart rhythm. Many women unknowingly consume too little calcium, which puts their bone health at risk. Paired with vitamin D, calcium helps your body absorb and use this mineral effectively. If you avoid dairy, fortified plant milks like almond, soy, or oat milk are excellent alternatives. Regular calcium intake does more than just protect bones. It also helps maintain healthy blood pressure, supports proper muscle function, and prevents brittle nails, muscle cramps, and bone pain. For women going through menopause, calcium-rich foods should be a daily priority. 5. Whole grains, your secret to steady energy and weight stability. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, quinoa, barley, buckwheat, and whole wheat bread digest slowly, providing steady energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. During menopause, blood sugar fluctuations become more intense because estrogen helps regulate glucose metabolism. When estrogen drops, blood sugar spikes more quickly, and this creates cravings, irritability, fatigue, and weight gain, especially around the belly. Whole grains provide fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar, keep digestion smooth, reduce cholesterol, and help maintain a healthy weight. They are also rich in B vitamins, which support energy production, mental clarity, nerve function, and mood stability, all of which can become challenging during menopause. Studies consistently show that women who consume whole grains experience better digestion, improved heart health, and more stable energy throughout the day. 6. Nuts and seeds, powerful little hormone helpers. Nuts and seeds may be small, but their nutritional power is enormous. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and especially flax seed contain essential fatty acids, plant-based protein, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. Flax seed is particularly special because it contains lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that naturally supports hormone balance. These lignans help reduce the severity of hot flashes, improve digestion, and support weight management. Nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats that improve skin health, support brain function, and keep joints lubricated, relieving dryness, stiffness, and inflammation. For many women, adding a tablespoon of flaxseed or chia seeds to breakfast or snacking on a handful of nuts can help improve hormonal balance, reduce sugar cravings, and stabilize energy levels. 7. Lean protein, the foundation of strength during menopause. During menopause, women naturally lose muscle mass due to hormonal changes, which lowers metabolism and increases the likelihood of weight gain. Lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, eggs, turkey, lentils, beans, tofu, and low-fat cheese give your body the building blocks it needs to maintain muscle and strength. Eating enough protein helps keep your metabolism active, reduces cravings, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports a healthy body composition. Protein is also essential for repairing tissues, boosting immunity, supporting hair and skin health, and maintaining emotional stability. When women include protein in every meal, they often notice better appetite control, fewer cravings for sweets, better sleep, and overall improved physical and mental energy. Part 2. 5 foods to avoid during menopause. 1. Ultra-processed foods, the silent symptom worseners. Ultra-processed foods like packaged chips, processed meats, instant noodles, Sugary cereals, pastries, and fast food create inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the biggest triggers behind worsening menopause symptoms. Studies show that women who consume more ultra-processed foods experience more intense hot flashes, more mood swings, and more digestive issues. These foods are filled with preservatives, additives, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium, all of which disrupt hormone balance. They also cause water retention, bloating, and rapid blood sugar spikes, making weight gain more likely. Removing or reducing ultra-processed foods can dramatically improve your menopause experience, helping your body cool down, calm down, and function more smoothly. 2. Added sugars, fueling belly fat, fatigue, and mood swings. Sugar becomes significantly more harmful during menopause because the body becomes less efficient at managing insulin. Sugary foods lead to larger blood sugar spikes, which then result in sudden crashes. These crashes contribute to irritability, anxiety, cravings, and extreme fatigue. High sugar intake also leads to increased belly fat, something many women struggle with during menopause. Foods like cakes, cookies, sodas, sweetened juices, and desserts can worsen inflammation, disrupt sleep, and increase anxiety. By reducing added sugars and choosing whole foods, fruits, or naturally sweet foods, women often experience more energy, better mood stability, and improved weight control. 3. High-salt foods, triggering bloating, swelling, and blood pressure spikes. High-sodium foods can make menopause symptoms feel much worse because they cause water retention, bloating, swelling in the hands and feet, and a general feeling of heaviness. As estrogen drops, the blood vessels become more sensitive to sodium, which raises blood pressure more easily. Foods like pickles, packaged soups, fast food, salted nuts, and canned items can contribute to fluid retention and increase the risk of heart disease. Women who reduce sodium intake often notice less puffiness in the face and body, reduced swelling, and better heart health overall. 4. Saturated and fried foods, making hot flashes and heart risks worse. Saturated fats are found in deep-fried foods, creamy dishes, heavy gravies, fatty cuts of meat, and packaged snacks. These foods raise LDL cholesterol, the type that clogs arteries and increases heart attack risk. After menopause, when estrogen no longer protects the heart, women become more vulnerable to cardiovascular problems. Fried foods also generate oxidative stress and inflammation, worsening hot flashes and making weight gain more likely. Choosing cooking methods like baking, grilling, steaming, or air frying helps reduce saturated fat intake while still keeping meals delicious. 5. Alcohol and excess caffeine, hidden triggers of hot flashes and sleepless nights. Alcohol and caffeine are two major triggers of hot flashes, night sweats, anxiety, and insomnia. Alcohol disrupts the body's temperature regulation and affects hormone metabolism, while caffeine overstimulates the nervous system and causes sleep disturbances. During menopause, the body becomes more sensitive to both alcohol and caffeine, so even small amounts can trigger symptoms. Many women report fewer hot flashes and improved sleep when they reduce alcohol and replace coffee with herbal tea or decaf options. Improving sleep alone can reduce anxiety, cravings, mood swings, and fatigue, making a substantial difference in daily quality of life. Menopause is not a weakness or a sign of aging. It is a natural transition that marks a new chapter of wisdom, strength, and self-awareness. By choosing the right foods, you give your body the foundation it needs to stay energized, balanced, and healthy. Remember, small daily habits can create big improvements. If this video brought value to your health journey, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing this information with another woman who deserves to feel empowered during menopause. Stay strong, stay supported, and I'll see you in the next video.